Hi, I'm Amirah.
Hi, I'm Nurin.
Hi, I'm Asna.
First and foremost, let us introduce about Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Red Hat Enterprise Linux is a Linux distribution developed by Red Hat. Red Hat is an American multinational software company that provides open source software products to enterprises. Red Hat Enterprise Linux was initially released 21 years ago, which is at 22 February 2000. It is mainly developed for the commercial market. The first version of Red Hat Enterprise Linux is originally named as Red Hat Linux Advanced Server. However, in 2003, Red Hat rebranded Red Hat Linux Advanced Server to Red Hat Enterprise Linux AS and added two more variants, which is Red Hat Enterprise Linux ES and also Red Hat Enterprise Linux WS.
So first of all, we will sign in into our Red Hat account. So then we open the terminal and search for IP address. So we can see here, this is the IP address. Then we minimize it and open and setting up our Wireshark. And then we also open the Python file. Then for the Python, we are going to edit the source IP with our host IP. So how to search for IP in the host? We have to open our CMD and search for ipconfig, and then we get the IP address for our host. Okay, then we run, but before that we must set up our Wireshark and filter with our IP of the IP of the OS and TCP, and then we run the module. We enter the destination IP, which is our Red Hat OS IP. So we can see there is the conversation between source and destination. Then we keep on entering the TCP for number 2. Then we move on to the next for 1632 until 512. Okay, now from this Wireshark, we will stop Wireshark first, and we can see there are lots of flags that we can see from here. So first is fin, then scene, and then RST, and then ACK, URG, and many more. So from here also we can see the conversation between source and destination.
Now we are going to test Nmap scan. So we open the terminal of the Red Hat and we type IP address. We can see that the IP address of the Red Hat is 192.168.0.103. And then we open the Wireshark. and filter it with the IP address of the Redhat. Open command prompt and enter the Nmap. The first command we are going to do is SF. As we can see the result at the Y chart, the Nmap scan to finance with one command, which is fin. We can analyze the packet, and the window size is 1024. Now we will test the next command, which is SS. The results show the Nmap sent one packet for TCP SYN. The window size also is 1024, and we can see that the sequence number is random. Next,
Test the Nmap with SS. Okay, and as we enter, we can see the result at the Wireshark, which is the result is fin, push, and urgent. So we can analyze at the Wireshark. You can see that at flags, fin is 1, push is 1, and urgent is 1. Since it will send fin, push, and urgent, it will send both fin, push, and urgent. Okay, next we will test the Nmap with the command next command. So I choose the command SN. Okay, and then we can see the result at the Wireshark, which is it send none. So we can see both is none, and we can see at the flags there is none. There is none value, since it is non-command. Okay, now I want to test the Nmap with the command SM. Okay, after that enter, and then we can see the result at the Wireshark, which shows the packet fin X has been sent. Alright, we can see at the analyze at the Wireshark. Okay, we can see the value of fin has become 1, since it's send fin and egg both. Okay, both. Okay, we can see also acknowledgement also 1. Okay.